Hello there and welcome to our channel. So last year's Galaxy Watch 4 series is still considered one of the best Android smartwatches ever. It brings the goodness of Wear OS, also lots of features, a rotating bezel for a classic watch, and the list goes on. But now leaks about Watch 5 series is starting to take off and people will be expecting a lot from this year's successors. It looks like there is going to be a drastic change in Galaxy Watch 5 series lineup. A report states that Samsung is ditching the classic model for the Galaxy Watch 5, instead replacing it with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. This rumor comes by way of Sam Mobile and is the second such rumor. It's still unclear what causes the name change. It could mean that Samsung is ditching the rotating bezel, or it could also be just a simple rebranding for some marketing reasons. In any case, we don't like what's happening. There is no need to fix what ain't broken. And in case Samsung ditches the rotating bezel, it will be a huge blow to its fans and users. Sam Mobile also reports that the Galaxy Watch 5 might come in two sizes, probably 40 and 44mm, while the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro could be limited to just one size, probably 46mm. Well, the good news is that previous rumors pointed to the Pro sporting a truly massive battery, which would certainly give the watch an easy way to stand out from the crowd. It's set to incorporate a big 572 mAh battery. For comparison, the max battery capacity for Watch 4 series was 361 mAh. It's also expected that the Galaxy Watch 5 will launch with a new version of One UI watch atop Wear OS 3, something that no other smartwatch OEM has yet to be able to include on their watches. As for the rest of the features, it's expected to carry the circular OLED display, GPS, accelerometer, gyro, heart rate sensor, and a body composition sensor that are already available on the Galaxy Watch 4. In terms of what we want to see, well, how about making ECG or blood pressure monitoring accessible to more countries, and that it should work on any Android phone and not just limited to Samsung phones. Well, that is it for this video. We will be keeping an eye for more details, and if you want to know more, then hit the subscribe and bell icon. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.